what we have here in this boot kit. Boot. This metal baffle built in there. Got the bag of hardware. More clamps. Bag of hardware. And this thing is in there. This ain't good. This ain't good. Oh my god. Oh, got lucky. 'Cause that's a heavy metal there. So that will be kind of going in the deck right in there somewhere. Oh my god, I even put that idiot put that on there. What's I thinking? It's first thing Saturday morning. Wasn't thinking. Instruction manual for a boat kit. So we got a rubber, 2 hose clamps, bracket. That's the rear bracket. That's the front bracket. That's the pin. That's a roll pin. 1, 2, 3, 4 carriage bolts. 1M12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nuts. And 1, 2, 3, 4 lock washers.